Welcome to this guide on ERC-20 tokens, the fungible token standard on Ethereum. ERC-20 is the most widely adopted token standard in the entire Ethereum ecosystem. It has enabled the creation of thousands of cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, and digital assets. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore what ERC-20 is, how it works, and why it has become so important for blockchain applications. ERC-20 stands for Ethereum Request for Comment 20. It is a technical standard that defines a set of rules for implementing fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. The term fungible means that each token is identical and interchangeable with another, just like traditional currencies. This standard was proposed in 2015 and has since become the foundation for most token-based projects on Ethereum, including major cryptocurrencies like USDC, USDT, and popular DeFi tokens. To understand ERC-20, it's essential to grasp the concept of fungibility. Fungible tokens, like those following the ERC-20 standard, are completely identical and interchangeable. One token has exactly the same value as another. Think of it like dollar bills. One $10 bill is worth the same as any other $10 bill. In contrast, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, which follow the ERC-721 standard, are unique and cannot be exchanged on a one-to-one basis. Each NFT represents something distinct, like digital art or collectibles. The ERC-20 standard requires every token to implement 6 mandatory functions. First, total supply returns the total number of tokens that exist. Second, balance of checks how many tokens a specific address holds. Third, transfer allows users to send tokens directly to another address. Fourth, approve grants permission for another address to spend tokens on your behalf. Fifth, allowance checks how many tokens an address is authorized to spend. And sixth, transfer from enables the approved address to actually transfer those tokens. These 6 functions form the core interface that makes ERC-20 tokens interoperable. Let's look at the code structure of the basic ERC-20 interface. The interface ERC-20 defines the function signatures that every ERC-20 token must implement. The total supply function is marked as external view and returns a uint256, representing the total token count. The balance of function takes an address as input and returns that address's token balance. The transfer function accepts a recipient address and an amount, returning a Boolean value that indicates whether the transfer succeeded. This standardized interface ensures that wallets, exchanges, and decentralized applications can interact with any ERC-20 token in the same way. The approval pattern is one of the most important features of ERC-20 tokens. It enables secure interactions with smart contracts and decentralized applications. The approve function allows a token holder to grant permission to another address, called the spender, to use a specified amount of their tokens. The allowance function lets anyone check how many tokens a spender is authorized to use from an owner's balance. Finally, the transfer from function allows the approved spender to actually move tokens from the owner's account to another address. This pattern is essential for decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, and staking platforms where smart contracts need to handle tokens on behalf of users. ERC-20 also defines 2 required events that must be emitted during specific actions. The transfer event is emitted whenever tokens move from one address to another. It logs the sender's address, the recipient's address, and the amount transferred. The approval event is emitted when a token holder calls the approve function. It records the owner's address, the spender's address, and the approved amount. These events are crucial because they allow external applications, blockchain explorers, and wallets to track token movements and approvals in real time without constantly querying the blockchain. ERC-20 has become the backbone of the Ethereum token ecosystem for several compelling reasons. First, it provides interoperability, meaning ERC-20 tokens work seamlessly across all Ethereum wallets, exchanges, and decentralized applications without requiring custom integration. Second, standardization ensures that developers can easily create new tokens by following the same consistent interface. Third, the standard simplicity makes it straightforward to implement and integrate into various applications, lowering the barrier to entry. Finally, ERC-20 has the largest ecosystem of any token standard, with billions of dollars in value and countless projects relying on it daily. This widespread adoption has made ERC-20 the gold standard for fungible tokens on Ethereum.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.